how this is how we drive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp Business to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or your version. So WhatsApp Business you can have in your iPhone. If you have a secondary number, business number or foreign number, you can use in this case. So beside your original WhatsApp Messenger, you can have one more WhatsApp Messenger. So for this purpose, we have to go to App Store. In App Store, we have to type here WhatsApp. You see at the top WhatsApp Business, click this one. Here at the middle, you can see WhatsApp Business, click this one. One most important thing for download anything from App Store, you need to have Apple account. If you don't have Apple account, check the video description to make a brand new Apple ID and Apple account. It's done here. You can open from here by opening button, or you can go to your screen. If you don't see here, you can go to App Store, App Library, and you can see WhatsApp Business. Click this one. Welcome to WhatsApp Business. At the bottom you can see agree and continue. Hit allow notification. Some phone number appear, but I don't want to connect with this phone number. I want to use my another number because this is the principal number of my WhatsApp. So they're gonna take the WhatsApp from my principal WhatsApp to business. I don't want to do that. So check properly, use different number. I hit this one. So here you have to decide your country. I will put here UK, United Kingdom. Then I have to put my phone number. After putting your phone number, you have to hit next button. It will send you some PIN code. If you have the same chip in your phone, it will get directly. If you don't have, if you have in another phone, then you have to take from that phone and put the PIN here. Let's see. So you see verifying the PIN that have arrived. I have some backup here. So if you want to restore from the backup, restore from the chat backup. If you don't want, you can hit skip. So in this case, I'm gonna restore from chat history. I click this one. It's restoring. 13 message has been restored. At the top, I see next button. I hit this one, next. Hit continue to allow all the contacts. I have 351 contacts. I allow them all. And the name, my name, Prof. Harry J arrives. I hit next button. Next, education on all the things you decide. I have a picture here, you can see. Hit next button. If you want to put your website address, you can put here. According to your business, everything, hit done button. Hit next button. If you want to describe a business, anything if you want to do, right here, the description of your business. I hit skip this process. Is done. WhatsApp is installed. I hit the chat button. Here you see my chats available from the backup. So this is the way you can install WhatsApp Business to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other version. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.